Good morning, everyone. Our lesson today is question 12 from Haykal, exam of trimester 3. In exercises from 1 to 45, but here is required from 25 to 40. I will start by 25. 25, question 25 is definite integration, not indefinite integration. Definite integration, we have lower term 0, upper term 2. How to solve it by substitution, or as you see this one, maybe general formula or by roles, as you see. 25, question 25, integral from 0 to 2 radical 4 minus x squared dx. Okay, how to solve this equation? Okay, how to solve this equation? I think this is here x equals 2 sine theta. Then dx equals what the derivative of sine cosine? 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, good. Now just substitute here in this integration. But be careful about this. This is equals, I think, maybe if x equals 0, then okay, or maybe you can continue here. Integral from 0 to 2, yes, radical 4, but here x squared, this is equals 4 sine squared theta. This is minus 4 sine squared theta dx. This is 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, we can take 4 as a common factor here. This is integral from 0 to 2 radical 4 as a common factor 1 minus sine squared theta times 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, 1 minus cosine square. Do you remember that? What is the answer here? 1 minus sine square theta. This is equals cosine square theta. This is equals cosine square theta. Okay, this is equals integral from 0 to 2 radical 4 cosine square theta times 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, radical, this is radical 4, square root of 4, 2. Square root of cosine square, cosine. Cosine theta times 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, integration from 0 to 2. It's easy now to find this. This is equals, I think, integration from 0 to 2, 4 cosine square theta d theta. Okay, remember that. Okay, cosine square theta, this is equals half. Okay, half 1 plus cosine 2 theta. We can substitute here. This is 4 integral from 0 to 2 times half. Okay, 1 plus cosine 2 theta d theta. Everything is ready now. This is equals 4 times half 2. 2 integral. This is what the here integration 1 theta. Theta plus integration cosine sine. Sine 2 theta divided by the derivative of the angle 2 theta over the half. Okay, that's it from 0 to 2, but from 0 to 2 for the x, but here from for the data theta is the front. Or maybe you can here solve the question. This is the right angled triangle, as you see. Okay, this is theta. Okay, this is opposite. Okay, adjacent. Okay, hype. Do you remember that? Okay, good. Here in the beginning, we can write here from here sine theta equals x over 2. This is equals opposite over hype. Opposite over hype. Opposite x الهايب 2. Opposite الهايب 2 opposite x. Yes. This is here equals 4 minus x square. This is the adjacent. Okay, everything is ready now. We can write here. This is, I think here, just sine theta equals x over 2. Then I think theta equals sine inverse x over 2. This is just substitute here. This is equals 2. This is sine inverse x over 2 plus half sine 2 theta. This is equals, I think, this is equals 2 sine theta times cosine theta. Yes, from, sorry, here, maybe to leave, yes, this is, yes, from 0 to 2, but here I think this is equals 2 inverse sine x over 2 plus 2 times half 1. This is go together. Okay, sine theta x over 2. This is equals x over 2 times cosine theta radical adjacent over minus x square also over 2 adjacent over height. That's it, from 0 to 2. Everything is ready now to find the answer. Sine inverse, this is equals, maybe you can find this. This is equals, I think, as you see here, what the answer? Maybe you can use calculator to find this. Okay, maybe here, this is 2, open brackets, inverse sine, okay, inverse sine, x over 2, okay, close, plus also x over 2, okay, times, yes, radical 4 minus x squared over 2, okay, close, calc 2, what the answer? 180. But you should change your calculator to radian. Shift mode 4, also calc 2, the answer is pi. This is equals pi minus calc 0, the answer is 0. Minus 0, this is equals pi. This is the answer. Okay, the question comes in the final exam, multiple choice. A, B, C, D. Maybe this is pi over 2, pi over 3, pi over 6. Which one is right? The first one. How to know that? I can use calculator here. If the question comes, I think maybe if use the answer, I think this is the answer, because this is it's easy. You can find this is by using calculator directly. This is like this, radical 4 minus x squared from 0 to 2. The answer is 3.14. The same by. Exactly. Okay, not easy to solve this question. This is because this is a question is definite integral. Let's move that next question. Maybe uh, question I think 27. Question 27. Question 27 here, as you see. Be careful about this. Uh, how to solve this question? This is, I think, the same. You should use trigonometric substitution. This is radical x squared minus 9. Okay, we can write here x equals 3 sec theta. 3 sec theta then. Okay, dx equals 3 sec theta tan theta d theta. Just substitute x squared here equals 9 sec square theta. Just sub integral. This is equals 9 sec square theta. Here also 9 sec square theta. Replace each x square by this one. Minus 9. Okay. Times dx 3 sec theta tan theta d theta. Okay. I think if take 9 as a common factor, this is equal integral 9 sec square theta. Here radical 9 as a common factor sec square theta minus 1 times here 3 sec theta tan theta d theta. Okay, do you remember that this formula you should keep in your mind? Sec square theta minus 1 equals tan square theta. This is you should keep in your mind. Just substitute here. This is integral, okay, 9 sec square theta, radical here, 9 tan square theta times 3 sec theta tan theta d theta. Everything is ready now. We can cancellation now. This is, I think, this is integral 9 sec square theta over 3 tan theta, because square root of 9, 3, square root of tan square tan, times 3 sec theta tan theta d theta. Now we can cancellation tan theta with tan theta, 3 with 3. Okay, everything is ready. Keep silence, please. Keep silence. Okay. This is integral. Integral. This is 9 outside sec square theta times sec theta tan theta. Everything is ready now. We can find this integral. I think maybe this is sec tan sec square theta. Maybe this is equals, yes, sec square. This is equals tan square plus 1. Tan square plus 1. This is equals, I think, 9. This is tan square theta plus 1 times sec theta d theta. How to solve this integration? I think, okay, okay, this difficult question, I think. This is here 9 integral sec to power 3 theta d theta. Okay, I think this is maybe you can use integration by part to solve this question. Maybe u, this is equals sec theta, uh, then du equals sec theta tan theta. Okay, maybe this is equals 9 integration, I think, uh, 6 square, yes, sec square theta times sec theta d theta. This is maybe equals 9 integral. This is sec theta, I think, equals here 1 plus tan square theta times sec theta d theta. Okay, I think this is equals 9 integral sec theta d theta plus 9 integral tan square theta times sec theta d theta. This is, yes, we can here use for the second integration, we can use u sec theta, then dv equals, I think, tan square theta. Then v equals, I think, uh, uh, what the integration tan square? No, integration secant equals tan squared, yeah? Okay, maybe here u, or maybe change this, yes. I think here this is u tan theta, then du equals sec square theta d theta. This is, I think, dv. Salam. Okay, suppose here also here u equals uh, tan theta, I think maybe sec theta. This is sec theta, then du equals sec theta tan theta. Okay, dv equals sec, no, I think here, sorry, I think here tan, u equals tan theta, u equals tan theta, or dv equals sec theta tan theta. Good. Du equals sec square theta. Here v الانتجريشن, this is equal sec theta. Everything is ready now. We can write this is the integration equals 9 sec theta, don't change, d theta plus this is 9. Okay, what the integration? U times v. U times v sec tan. Sec theta tan theta minus integral v du. V du integral sec to power 3 theta d theta. Okay, the same here. This is equals, yes, it is easy now. This is maybe this is equals 9 integral sec theta d theta plus 9 sec theta tan theta. This is go there. Okay, minus 9 integral sec to power 3 theta d theta. Okay, this is go to other side. We have here 9. Yes, this is, as you see here in this integral, this is equals, I think, here this is integral 9 sec to power 3 plus 9 18. This is equals 9 sec to power 3 theta d theta plus 9 sec to power 3 theta d theta. This is equals 9 integral sec theta d theta plus 9 sec theta tan theta. It's very difficult question. Now 9 plus 9 18. This is 18 integral sec to power 3 theta d theta. This is equals, what the integration? This I know that before. This is equals 9, I think, ln in absolute value sec theta plus tan theta in absolute value plus 9 sec theta tan theta, divided both sides by 18, okay, to get the answer. This is equals half. This is equals half ln in absolute value sec theta plus tan theta plus half sec theta tan theta plus c. Don't forget it here, plus c. This is the answer, but this is not the final answer. You should hear, yes, this is the triangle, yes, this is theta. We write here tan theta equals, I think, x over 3. X over 3, yes, right? Here I think, yes, not tan theta. Sec theta equals x over 3. Sec theta, not tan, sec, yes. Sec theta equals x over 3. Okay, sec, this is equals, I think, 1 over cosine. 1 over cosine theta, this is equals x over 3. That means cosine theta equals 3 over x. This is adjacent to 3. Okay, this is x hype. This is adjacent. This is hype. This is opposite. Opposite, this is equals, I think, This is radical x squared minus 9. Everything is ready. We can write here the answer half. Okay, len sec. The sec, this is equals x over 3. This is equals x over 3 plus tan opposite over adjacent, radical x squared minus 9 over 3, okay, in absolute value, plus half sec x over 3 times tan this is x squared minus 9 also over 3 plus c. The answer, final answer, this is equals half len absolute value x over 3 plus radical x squared minus 9 over 3 plus x, I think, over 18. 18, yes. Because 9 times 2, 18. Radical x squared minus 9 plus c. This is the answer.